Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Cadillac Ats safely and effectively. First, prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and gloves. Make sure both vehicles are turned off completely before you begin. Carefully position the assisting vehicle so it is close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles are not touching each other. This prevents any accidental short circuits or damage. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one end of the red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Cadillac Ats battery. Next, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Finally, take one end of the black negative cable and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal ground point on your Cadillac Ats, away from the battery. This could be a bolt on the engine block or chassis. Once connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to transfer a charge. After this brief charging period, you can attempt to start your Cadillac Ats. To disconnect the cables safely, reverse the order of connection. First, remove the black negative cable from the ground point on your Cadillac, then from the assisting vehicle's negative terminal. Next, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally from your Cadillac's positive terminal. Once started, drive your Cadillac Ats for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to fully recharge. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.